Generative answering has the potential to transform the way customers learn, discover, and shop for new products. Replicate the in-store experience and become shoppers' trusted advisor by generating accurate and tailored answers to their questions using information grounded in your expert content. Then, seamlessly take them to the next step of their buying journey by suggesting categories from your product catalog aligned with the generated answer. Not all GenAI solutions are created equal. Coveo works by securely indexing all of your data across different content sources. This is key, as your product domain-specific content is what will be used to generate tailored answers. It works in two parts. First, it creates a specific prompt tailored to the query and identifies relevant chunks from the indexed content. This is called grounding the prompt. Secondly, the relevant chunks are then sent to a generative language model to produce an answer that is then displayed in real time to your customer. Thanks to our unique retrieval-augmented generation approach, your customers can enjoy the confidence of trustworthy information with relevant, factual, and hallucination-free answers every time.